Hello everyone, welcome to Lina's Kitchen. Today I will share with you my easy borek recipe. It's my grandma recipe. My grandma used to cook it on all family occasions. This borek remember me my childhood. In a pan, put 2 tablespoons of oil, 2 teaspoons of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of cinnamon, and 2 big onions. Add 1 cup of water to your onions to avoid burning it. Cook your onion for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, whenever you notice that your onion becomes soft, now it's time to add your meat. Cook your meat with your onion for about 20 minutes too. Stir your meat well with your onions to make your meat absorb all the seasoning. Mix it well. After 20 minutes, you will notice that your meat is well cooked. Turn your heat off. Set it aside and let it cool it down a little bit. You can prepare your meat one day before to completely cool down because we need our meat cold. For the borek dough, we will need 4 cups of flour, half cup of melted butter, 1 egg, salt, and water. Work your flour with your butter very well, like you are making shortbread dough. Add your water little by little until you get a very soft dough. Work your dough a little bit to make sure you don't have any lumps in it. But don't overwork your dough. Cover your dough with a saran wrap and let it rest for about half hour. With a rolling pin, open your dough very thin. Cut some circles. Set them aside and cover them with a towel to avoid dryness. With a rolling pin, open your dough and make sure you have a very thin layer. Fill up your borek with meat and scrambled egg. Close your borek and set it aside until we collect some boreks. If you don't have a borek cutter, don't worry, you can cut your circles with a cup and close your borek with a fork. Whenever you cut your circle with a cup, open your circle until you get an oval shape. Put your meat in half in this oval. Close it with a fork. Don't wait too long to fry your borek because they will dry on the top. Whenever you collect 12 to 15 boreks, you have to fry it right away. Fry your boreks in hot oil until they get a golden color. Serve your borek warm. Don't forget to squeeze a little bit of lemon juice in your borek. It gives your borek more taste. You can serve this borek as a side dish, as an appetizer, and you can accompany your borek with a very tasty and hot soup. Hope you did like my video and you will try my recipe. See you in the next video. Bye!